In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily upload your image, whether it's a JPG, PNG, or any other format, to Google Drive and convert it into an editable document using Google Docs. This process is incredibly useful if you want to extract and edit text from images, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you get it right the first time. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by accessing Google Drive. You can do this by heading over to drive.google.com and logging into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Drive interface, which is where we will begin our process. Next up, it's time to upload your image. To do this, simply click on the New button, usually located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select File Upload. This will allow you to browse your computer for the image you wish to upload. Select your desired image file, and it will be uploaded to your drive in just a few moments. You should see it appearing in your list of files once the upload is complete. With the image safely uploaded to Google Drive, the next step is to open it with Google Docs so that you can convert and edit the text within it. To do this, locate the uploaded image among your files and right-click on it. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to hover over or click Open With. From the options that appear, choose Google Docs. What this does is create a new Google Docs document for you. Once the new document opens, you'll notice something interesting. At the top of this newly created document, you'll see the original image exactly as it was uploaded. But what's really innovative here is what you'll find right below the image. Google's text extraction will have pulled out the text content from your image and placed it underneath, making it fully editable. This is where the magic happens. Now, it's time for some editing. Go through the extracted text and make any necessary corrections. Sometimes, the text recognition process might misinterpret a word or two, or the formatting might need a bit of tidying up, depending on the quality of the original image. Take your time to ensure everything looks good and reads correctly. Finally, with the text edited to your satisfaction, you can save your work just like you would any other Google Doc. You may want to rename the document so that it's easy to find later or fits within the organization of your Drive folders. And there we have it. You now have an editable Google Doc created from an image. This document can be shared, modified, and managed like any other document in Google Drive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now a little more equipped with knowledge on how to utilize the powerful tools within Google Drive and Docs. Thank you for watching and happy editing.